Here you go, Anthony. Here you go, Anthony. Spirit thunderstorm warning for St. Johns County. Winds in excess of 70 miles an hour expected. Down trees, power lines, all kinds of stuff, y'all. Might even get some hail action, y'all. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. That's what I want to see. Yay! I want to see this. We got hail. We got hail. We got hail. We do got hail. Here we go. Yes, sir. We got hail. Where's the tornado? Woo! It's a brisk storm right here, buddy. Here you go, Anthony. It's a nasty one. Nasty one. Oh yeah, we got hail here, y'all. Everybody cutting off. You're not supposed to put hazard lights on in Florida when it rains, but see how everybody's doing. I'll come over here and go a little slow. But we do got hail. I guess pea or quarter size. I can't really see it right now. That you don't do. You don't go underneath the bridge like that. You don't ever do that. Especially if there's a tornado coming. You don't do that. A lot of people just stop here. Reminiscent of a storm in Oklahoma I went through before. Bunch of hail in it. Except this hail is not as bad though. South of Jacksonville, y'all. Just south of Jacksonville. I got my rain X on. I don't need to use my windshield wipers. It says Jacksonville 24 miles, so 24 miles south of downtown Jacksonville, y'all. Quick little burst. Alrighty. There you go, Anthony.